This video is dedicated to the installation of the connector straps and the foot straps on our multi-vision stands. To begin with, start off with the short strap. You'll notice that it has a cinch buckle as well as a loop. Next, you're going to take your foot strap. Now this is the long strap with a loop on one end and flat on the other end. Here's where the connector strap comes in. Grab your shoulder strap that's looped on both ends. You'll run this flat end of your foot strap through one loop of your connector strap. Now the flat end of your foot strap will slide behind the main support bar and come back out the other side. You'll notice this makes a spot for your foot. Now to finish off your connector strap, you grab your longer strap that's looped on both ends and you'll move to the seating platform of your stand. You'll put one end through the first loop and pull tight. Now the next end, you'll take the first loop of the first part of your connector strap and run it through the second loop of your second part of your connector strap, like so. Next, you'll take the flat end of your foot strap and again run it through your connector strap, like so. Next, run the flat end of your foot strap through your cinch buckle, back down, and pull tight. Now when you straighten everything out, you should see that you have two places for your feet. You also have your connector strap fully attached.